Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at this old Russwin lock I've come across. I don't have a key for it, but it is locked up. It's a 6-pin, and it does have all standard pins in it, but I believe it'll make a good challenge lock in the future. So I just got to click off a 1, click off a 2, click off a 3, click off a 5, and let's go back to the back again, click off a 6, click off a 5, click off a 3, and click off a 1, and we have an open. So let's go ahead and take this guy apart. At least show you all what's in it for now. I know the next time I show this lock, it's going to be completely different on how it's pinned up. I'll zoom out just a little bit. Alright, need a flathead screwdriver to take these screws off. And I'll probably, when I redo this, I'll probably put Phillips screws in here to make life easier for the next person taking these clip off, because I know how much of a pain in the butt these clips can be. Alright, so let's take my follower. Now this follower is not quite big enough for this hole, but it'll work. Okay, let's scoot this stuff back here real quick. And let's go ahead and zoom in. Okay. Pin 1 is a standard. Pin 2 is a standard. 3 is a standard. 4 is a standard. 5 and 6. They're all standards. Let's go ahead and move 6 back over. Some of these are steel pins, and some of these are brass pins as well. And pin 2 actually has a slight serration on it. And as you can tell, there's no threading in the core whatsoever. No counter milling, nothing special, it's just stock. Okay, so the top. And these are all going to be standards as well, so nothing special here. There's no threading in the Bible. So right now, just an easy pick. I mean, pretty decent tolerances on this lock, which why I think it'll make a pretty good challenge lock. There it is. So once I do some homemade pins on here, I won't be able to do a lot with these steel pins, but I'll probably replace them with brass so I can put security pins in it. And I think it'll make a nice challenge lock in the future. Anyway, guys, that's a Russwin. It is a vintage lock. And I'm dumping the springs out everywhere. So anyway, guys, stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. Don't pick any locks that aren't yours, or locks that you don't have permission to pick. And as always, Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.